Hi everyone. So I got a luxury purchase today. I bought a MacBook Pro and let me move this up a little. I'm very excited. I've been wanting a MacBook Pro or just a laptop in general for a really long time. I decided to get a MacBook Pro because compatibility, really. I film a lot of stuff on my phone. And I just haven't edited a lot of things because I've been using my phone and it's very inconvenient. I also just needed a personal laptop because I don't have one, you know, and that's been tough because I can only use my work computer for work, obviously, and then everything else has to be done on my phone. So it's just really frustrating. So I got this beautiful MacBook Pro and here are the specs, okay? It's a 13-inch or 13.3 inch. I got the one that has the, or at least it should. I got the one that has the touch bar. I got the 8 gigabytes of memory and 512 gigabytes of storage. And then it comes with 2 Thunderbolt ports and yeah, a bunch of stuff. Okay, I'm ready to open it now. So I don't really know much about laptops and stuff. I just know I wanted it and it's pretty and it's expensive. Here's a look at the details since I clearly don't know what I'm talking about. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay. Come on. Oh, I got it in the color silver, not space gray, not gold, not rose gold, silver, classic, and that was really important to me. So beautiful. Now this better have the touch bar. I'm gonna be real upset. Oh my gosh, they make you go through all this to get the thing off. This is probably so funny to people who had MacBooks forever. I need a case. I forgot to ask him. It does have the touch bar. Perfect. I mean, it's too pretty. I don't even want to turn it on. It's quite heavy in a good way. So that's the laptop. The charging cord. Something that I'm never gonna read. The charging pack. Can I charge my iPhone with this? Because my iPhone charger is so slow. And that's it. Yeah, so I originally was gonna get the one that's a step up. It's 16 gigs of memory and 512 of storage, and it's like $200 or $300 more. But I was like, look, I'm only gonna be editing videos. Do I need something that's that powerful? I'm not gonna be running multiple programs. I'm not a gamer. I'm not watching a movie and editing a video at the same time, like nothing crazy. And he was like, unless you're making feature films, you do not need all of that. So we'll see. I think it's fine that I got more storage and less memory. It'll be fine. I really don't understand computers, so yeah, I didn't want to get the M1 chip just because some things aren't compatible with it, and I'm sorry, this bracelet. I'm all over the place, y'all. I didn't want to get the M1 chip because it's not compatible with everything yet. It is cheaper. The M1 processor is cheaper than the i5 generation, which is what I got. I decided to get it just because it's compatible with more and I don't have to wait for things to come out for compatibility. But I don't think that'll be a problem in a couple of months. From what I saw online, because you know I had to heavily research this purchase, from what I saw online, a lot of things are coming out this month or similar time frame to be compatible with the M1 chip, and it is cheaper, like I said. So yeah, but I didn't get that because I just don't know enough about that kind of stuff, so I just stuck to what I knew. And I finally got this, so hopefully I will be putting videos out more often, and I'm just in love with this. Like, I'm finally a MacBook girl. I have my cute little computer, my little laptop. But my thing is, like, how do people like travel with this in their bag and they don't protect it? Because I feel like I'm holding a brand new iPhone with no case, and I just want to put something on it. So if you have any suggestions for cases and keyboard covers, please let me know. I want to get like some cute keyboard cover. How do you open this? So yeah, let me know. I guess y'all would like to see me turn it on, huh? Girl, how you turn this on? No, it says it automatically starts when you lift the lid. That is false. That is false. It didn't start. And there it is. As you can see, it's starting up now. I had to charge it. This is so exciting for me. So I'm just gonna choose here. I'll bring you a little closer. Hopefully you can see. Just gonna choose.
Use English as the main language. Press the return key.
Okay. Like, the touch bar is beautiful. Can you see? It is so pretty. And that's where you can adjust the volume and the brightness and everything like that. And I just think that's so cool. So I am in the United States of America. I'm gonna click that or press the return button. Oh, also, it'll be interesting to see how I adjust to having a Mac, because I've only ever used PCs before, and obviously
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape key.
obviously I have a iPhone, but I've never really worked on a MacBook. I've written like one paper on a MacBook, but other than that, I've never worked on it, so there will be a learning curve for me. So thank you so much for joining me, you guys, and really excited about this. Maybe there'll be a few more videos of like different accessories that I get, or just info that I think would be helpful for everyone to know. And I'm just gonna finish setting this up, get it all, you know, integrated with my Apple ID and all of that. Just go through the process, and I will talk to you guys later. See ya.